Hello friends, welcome to Learning City. In this tutorial of Office 365 PowerPoint presentation, we will discuss about how to record video in MS PowerPoint. You often found software like Camtasia, which is a very good, excellent software for recording and making YouTube videos or other presentations. But unfortunately, if someone do not have access to the Camtasia, he can still make presentation videos with PowerPoint. Simply make your presentation. After that, go to slideshare and slideshow. Here you will find an option of record. Under record, you will find two options, from the current slide and from the beginning. Or you can also find a logo or a tab here at the top right corner. Simply tap on this button. You will find this dialog box. Here you will find multiple options. I will discuss one by one. This is for the edit presentation. After clicking this, you will be again moved through your presentation, main presentation slide, where you can still make changes if you want. Unfortunately, we are done with our presentation. This is after clicking this start recording, the recording will begin. This is for the microphone, camera. There are multiple options of which microphone you want to select, camera and other. Okay, this is at the bottom left corner. You will find this option. This is the slide number. This is the total slide. The slide will change. Okay, this is the laser pointer, Control L for shortcut. This is to point something in your presentation. This is to write something. For example, I have to mention something about reading books or anything, you can use. This is for a various color option to write. This is the rubber option to erase. I'm going to erase this one. Simply click on the writing and it will be erased. This is to highlight something. You can use this as a highlighter. At the bottom right, you will find this tab view. There are three types of views. Presenter view. Here this is your main slide, which are about which you are talking. This is your next slide. Here you will find your notes if you have made anyone while making your presentation. Another view, this is teleprompter view. Simple, the teleprompt which we often use in offices. This is to increase your note size. This is to decrease your note size. Okay, so now I am going to begin my presentation in slide view. I take video from all slides. The recording has begun. You can start your recording. It will automatically create video at the end of your presentation. Here you will find the timer option. It going on for each slide, and this is the time for overall presentation slide. After clicking the next slide, the time has begun for this current slide. For example, I'm going to talk about Think and Grow Rich. The time has begun for this slide, and this is the time for overall slide. I can use my laser to point the main things. If I'm going to click on the next one, the time will reset, and this is the total time. Here you will find the slide number, and this is the end of your presentation. Simply stop recording, export your video. This is show him the path. I'm going to make video for in the export in desktop. Simply exit. This will take some time while exporting your video. You can still exit. The PowerPoint will notify you when your video is exported. As your video is successfully exported, the PowerPoint will notify you here. Let's see how the video is made. This is, see the quality of the video. So this is how you can still record your presentation in Office 365 PowerPoint without any software. For more updates about PowerPoint, subscribe this channel, like this video. Thank you.